The job description of a production associate centers on supporting the manufacturing and production processes within a factory or industrial setting. Production associates are crucial to ensuring that operations run smoothly, efficiently, and in line with quality standards. Their work is typically performed on the production floor, where they handle tasks such as assembling components, operating machinery, packaging products, and maintaining a clean and organized workspace. These professionals may work in a variety of industries including automotive, electronics, food processing, pharmaceuticals, and consumer goods. While the specific duties vary depending on the company and product being manufactured, the fundamental responsibilities revolve around maintaining productivity, quality, and safety in the production process. Production associates often work in shifts to ensure continuous production and are supervised by production supervisors or line managers. They must follow standard operating procedures, SOPs, adhere to safety guidelines, and sometimes meet production quotas or targets. The job description of a production associate reflects a position that requires attentiveness, physical stamina, and a commitment to teamwork and precision. Core responsibilities of a production associate. At the heart of a production associate's responsibilities is the task of contributing to the efficient production of goods. They begin their day by reviewing work orders or instructions from supervisors to understand the tasks for the shift. Depending on the assignment, they may be required to gather materials, inspect tools and equipment, and prepare their workstations. One primary responsibility is assembling products or components on a production line. This task may involve fitting parts together, attaching components, or conducting repetitive manual labor. Accuracy and consistency are critical to ensure that the final products meet the company's quality standards. Production associates often operate machinery such as drills, presses, or conveyor systems. They must be trained in the safe and effective use of these machines and are expected to monitor them for malfunctions or irregularities. Routine equipment checks and minor maintenance tasks like cleaning, oiling, or resetting machines may also fall under their purview. Packaging finished products is another important duty. Associates ensure that items are properly labeled, securely packaged, and ready for shipping or storage. This may include using packaging machines, sealing boxes, or wrapping pallets. Maintaining cleanliness and organization is integral to the role. Production associates are responsible for keeping their workspace tidy, disposing of waste materials, and following 5S principles: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, to promote efficiency and safety. They also report any discrepancies, defective items, or hazards to their supervisors promptly. Their input helps in maintaining a quality assurance loop that prevents faulty products from reaching customers. Skills and qualities required. To thrive in this role, a production associate needs a specific set of skills and personal qualities. First and foremost is attention to detail. Whether assembling intricate components or performing quality checks, being precise ensures high standards are consistently met. Physical stamina is another essential trait. The role may involve standing for long periods, lifting heavy objects, repetitive motions, and working in environments that can be noisy or involve exposure to dust, heat, or chemicals. Manual dexterity is vital, especially for tasks requiring fine motor skills such as wiring, soldering, or screwing tiny components. Hand-eye coordination enhances the speed and accuracy with which a production associate can perform tasks. Teamwork is at the core of production environments. Associates must collaborate with co-workers, machine operators, quality inspectors, and supervisors. Strong interpersonal skills and a cooperative attitude contribute to a positive and productive work culture. Basic technical and mechanical knowledge is advantageous, particularly when operating production machinery or troubleshooting minor issues. Associates who understand the functions and limitations of equipment can prevent downtime and improve productivity. Time management and the ability to follow instructions are crucial. Associates are often given time-bound targets and must complete tasks efficiently without compromising quality. Being able to prioritize and adapt to shifting production needs is also helpful. Safety consciousness is non-negotiable. Production associates must adhere to workplace safety protocols, wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, and report unsafe conditions without delay. A strong safety mindset helps prevent accidents and injuries. Work environment and challenges. The work environment of a production associate is dynamic and can vary significantly depending on the industry. In general, it involves working in industrial facilities, assembly lines, or manufacturing plants. The noise levels may be high, and protective gear such as gloves, earplugs, safety goggles, or steel-toed boots may be required. Temperature-controlled environments are common in food or pharmaceutical industries, whereas electronics or automotive plants may involve working with precision tools or robotic systems. Regardless of the setting, the pace of work is often fast, and tasks can be repetitive. Production associates may need to work in shifts, including nights, weekends, or holidays, depending on the company's production schedule. Overtime may be required during peak demand periods. Challenges include the risk of injury, mental fatigue from monotonous tasks, and the need to quickly adapt to changes in production orders or machinery malfunctions. Nonetheless, with proper training, supervision, and a commitment to workplace safety, these challenges are manageable. Career growth and opportunities. The job description of a production associate not only reflects an entry-level role but also a gateway to more advanced positions in the manufacturing sector. With experience and demonstrated competence, production associates can move into roles such as machine operator, quality control technician, team leader, or production supervisor. Companies often offer in-house training or apprenticeship programs to help associates upgrade their skills. Learning how to read blueprints, interpret schematics, or operate complex machinery can lead to promotions and pay raises. Certifications in areas like OSHA safety standards, lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, or forklift operation can also enhance a production associate's resume and broaden career prospects. Educational requirements and training. Most production associate positions require at least a high school diploma or equivalent. However, employers place greater emphasis on a candidate's reliability, work ethic, and willingness to learn. In some industries, vocational training or coursework in industrial technology, mechanical systems, or manufacturing processes can be an advantage. Training typically occurs on the job and may include instruction on SOPs, machine operation, safety practices, and quality standards. New associates often shadow experienced workers until they are proficient in their assigned tasks. Employers value candidates who demonstrate a proactive attitude, take initiative in solving problems, and show commitment to improving productivity. These traits are often considered more important than formal education in many manufacturing environments. Conclusion. The job description of a production associate highlights a role that is foundational to the manufacturing industry. These professionals play an essential part in creating the products we use every day. Through a combination of manual labor, machine operation, and teamwork, they help ensure that production goals are met efficiently and safely. For individuals seeking hands-on work, steady employment, and the opportunity to grow within a company, the role of a production associate offers a promising pathway. Whether working on electronics, automobiles, packaged goods, or industrial components, production associates bring diligence, skill, and integrity to the production floor, making them invaluable to any manufacturing operation.